In today's defense environment, readiness depends on more than supply chains. It depends on the ability to repair, sustain, and control critical electronics locally. At World Defense Show, ABI Electronics and our strategic partner 3 Lines are enabling exactly that. Supporting Saudization, developing local repair capability, and protecting national sovereignty through technology and skills. From avionics and radar to communication, naval systems, and weapon electronics, ABI systems diagnose and repair down to component level. Trusted by leading defense agencies and OEMs worldwide, including the Royal Saudi Navy and Land Forces. Come to see us from the 8th to the 12th of February at World Defense Show 2026 to learn why repair isn't an option, it's a strategic advantage.